At exactly 3:09 p.m., the call came in. A vehicle swept off the road, flipped by a powerful surge of floodwater. A mother, her child, and even their dog trapped on the roof, water rising fast beneath them. New Mexico State Police Officer Walker Eby was dispatched. And what he would do next? Nothing short of heroic. As Officer Eby arrives on the scene, he spots them, stranded on top of their flipped car, dirty, roaring water swirling all around. No time to waste. With the help of Grant County deputies, volunteer firefighters, and even local residents, they come up with a bold plan, using a backhoe to anchor the unstable vehicle, preventing it from being pulled downstream.
Put him on his back. Just fall back over this way. Yeah. Yeah, just bear grip him around the back and get him, yeah. One more time. There's Walker. Yeah, you can go there. Alright. You okay? They're the only two that were in the truck right now? I think Colton was. Were you in the truck too? You were? But that's it, right? Yeah, no one else decided to fall. But no one else in the vehicle, right? No. Okay. So what happened to us is, as long as we got all lives out.
If this story moved you, tap that like button. Hit subscribe for more real-life rescues caught on camera